So before I leave, I'm actually gonna try to do my Fashion Nova try on for you guys. So let's hope it goes good and does not take too long. So up first we have this one. It is a set. I think it is so cute. I just feel like I should have sized down on it, but I'm gonna check if I have a darker color and then size down on that one. But I absolutely love this one. And see, the waist is a little big, but I think I just need to size down. But I think it's super cute, comfortable from the house, and then I feel like you could even mix and match it. Absolutely love this one. And I love the material. It's like so soft. I love it. Up next we have this one. So the only reason why I got this one is because I know everyone sees the video of the Fashion Nova model. She has a walking video in this outfit and like her butt looks so nice, so I wanted to get it. I think it's super cute. I did size down on this one. I just read the reviews and everyone said like, oh, size down, it's super stretchy. It is very stretchy, super cute. You see, like, what is it? I like that. So I do plan on recreating like a walking video in this. Let's hope it doesn't get taken down, but it's super cute. Let's see. I mean, it is like see-through, but let me put it down a little bit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. It's not gonna want to. Okay, is that better? No, I think it's like the same. So it's like a little see-through, but I don't think it's like too bad. So yeah. Up next we have this orange top. Absolutely loving it, and I feel like you could do so many things with it. Tie it, leave it down, tuck one side in. And then also these leggings. I should have probably sized down, but I wasn't really sure. You guys can see like the little detail on the side. I think they're super cute. I thought the buckles were like butterflies, but no, they're not. They're still super cute though. Look them. Like silk button-down shirt. This one and white. Absolutely loving like the whiteness of it, like that little shine. I love it. Okay, so cute. So up next we have these leggings. I literally have these leggings in like every color, including black, but I needed to size down on them, so that's what I did. I reordered them, sized down on them. They do feel like a little tight on my butt, but I feel like they like stretch out or something. And then this top, I think is so cute. I'd probably wear it like tucked in one side after I'm buttoning it. And then also I love flannels because I like to tie them around my waist when I go to the gym to make sure I am not showing my butt. I do like this flannel. It's like thicker. It's like kind of like a men's flannel material. I have flannels, but normally they're like pretty thin. So I do like that. Up next we have this top. I think it is so cute. It's like super soft, which I love. You can kind of see like when I'm talking about like the butt part, but it's okay.